Well, we just had the best breakfast casserole, didn't we?
We did.
And Carrie made grit cakes, and I tell you what, I said, Roseanne, that might be the best white pepper gravy I've ever eaten. It was out of this world. And now we're moving on to the geriatric salad. If one of you would open that can of asparagus.
I can do that.
And just give it a rough chop. If somebody would just chop up these pecans.
All right, I can
I'm
do
gonna
that.
need about a half a cup of those,
Okay.
Carrie. While y'all are doing that, I'm gonna dice up a cup of celery, and then I'm gonna chop 2 tablespoons of
You need
onion.
a cup of this, right?
Yeah, we'll just eyeball it.
Okay.
Mom likes that.
I have a feeling I might be the only one eating this salad.
No, we'll try
No,
it.
she'll eat it with you.
I teach children how to cook, and we only have one rule, which is you have to taste everything.
You do. Carrie, now how did you get involved with that, and where do you do this?
Well, at the elementary school I went to.
Get out, girl.
She
what I
teaches
do.
little children, 4, 5, and 6-year-olds how to cook.
That is so cute. All right, now, y'all, as we get these ingredients ready, I'm just gonna start dumping them in our gelatin, and we let this sit in the freezer for about 30 minutes. I need the juice of a half a lemon. So
Put
you
it
can
in
just do
there?
that over the bowl. Yeah, just come on down here. And I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons of pimentos. And see, that pimenta's just gonna give it a pretty color. Now, you can scoop up your asparagus.
Okay.
And just toss that in. And you can throw your nuts in.
Okay.
Carrie, there you go. I forgot
the
the onion.
onion.
Just a couple of tablespoons. So we're just gonna chop, 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 chop. And we need a little salt, too.
Okay, that I can do.
All right, so just a couple of heaping tablespoons. There we go.
Like a little confetti party in
Yes,
there.
look at that.
It's a party in a bowl.
So we're just gonna pour this in here. So look, I'm just gonna do it just like that. It's too hard to hit that ring, y'all. All right, so we've got our unflavored gelatin, our vinegar, our sugar, our pecans, our onions, our asparagus,
Pimento.
our pimento. Look at that. Look how pretty that is.
That is pretty.
All right, so girls, about an hour and a half in the refrigerator for this. And then we'll just turn it upside down and put it on its serving bowl.
And it's
And
gonna
it'll
be pretty.
dance.
Yeah. I would like a drum roll, please.
Dun, 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 dun.
Please do right.
I'm really excited
All
about
right, now
this.
I need a drum roll.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
Wait, you gotta do
You
this
need them in
first.
stages.
Yes, you got to do that first.
Wow.
Right? We got to garnish this thing.
That is beautiful.
And you know what you have to serve this with? Mayonnaise. You all right, Roseanne?
It's freaking me out a little bit, but
What's freaking you out?
it's very pretty,
Yeah,
actually.
that's beautiful.
All right, let's get us a plate, y'all.